Bitcoin Core Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're diving into the Bitcoin Core Crypto Wallet, one of the most reliable and secure options for serious Bitcoin users. Bitcoin Core is the official wallet of the Bitcoin network, developed by the Bitcoin community and maintained by experienced developers. It's a full node wallet, which means it downloads the entire Bitcoin blockchain, offering you complete control over your transactions and contributing to the network's decentralization. This wallet is designed for those who value privacy, security, and a deep involvement in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Bitcoin Core is open source and free to use, with no third-party involvement, ensuring that you're the sole custodian of your funds. One of the standout features is its robust security. By running a full node, you independently verify every transaction, protecting yourself from fraud or double spending issues. It's also equipped with advanced privacy features like Tor support, which helps obfuscate your IP address, making your transactions more anonymous. Additionally, Bitcoin Core allows you to manage your own private keys, a critical feature for maintaining true ownership of your Bitcoin. However, it's important to note that Bitcoin Core is not for everyone. This wallet is best suited for advanced users or those willing to invest the time to understand how it works. It requires significant storage space and bandwidth, as you'll be downloading and syncing the entire blockchain. Additionally, the user interface is functional, but not as intuitive as other wallets, so beginners might find it challenging to navigate. It's also not the best choice for those who need access to their funds on the go, as Bitcoin Core is a desktop-based wallet. In summary, Bitcoin Core is a powerful tool for those who prioritize security, privacy, and full control over their Bitcoin. If you're looking for a wallet that lets you play an active role in the Bitcoin network and ensures maximum protection of your assets, Bitcoin Core is a top contender. However, if ease of use and convenience are your main priorities, you might want to consider other options. Make sure you weigh these factors before deciding if Bitcoin Core is the right choice for you.